All right, y'all, it's time to put the exhaust on. I got James in the M2. I'm taking the M4. And we have Gary in his 2002 Turbo. You guys are about to see that. It's the first gen M2, pretty much, if you think about it. We are teleporting on over to Gary's to go put the exhaust on. I'm very excited to do this. I have James in the M2. We have Gary in his 2002. Gary's 2002 Turbo is low-key the first ever M2, if you think about it. It's the first Gen 2 series with a turbo. And it has like that whole livery on it to make it known that it is a turbo. It's pretty cool, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that car. This is just really cool in general, cruising with the boys right now. But we're gonna go back to Gary's. We have the lift open to pull the M4 up onto and sliding over with the SRT, and we're gonna put this exhaust on. We are doing an X pipe, like I showed you guys. And on the M2, it currently has a single mid pipe. So it's gonna be a really, really good comparison to see what mid pipe you like better, if you like the single or if you like the X pipe. Oh my god, there's a cop, bro. Hopefully it doesn't pull me over. I'm not wearing my seatbelt. We just pulled up to Gary's. Time to put this exhaust on, man. What they talking about? We just waiting for Ant to pull up and we good. We already got the cops here. That's crazy. Yeah. I'm just joking.
He's super chill.
Yeah, he seems nice. Just pulled the M4 onto the lift. Look how nasty this thing looks out here. Oh my god, look how good it fits. Race cars with the race cars. This is actually so sick. I'm really excited to do this X pipe. We have all the clamps over there. I just have to get the X pipe out. Yeah, this thing just looks absolutely aesthetic in here. It's actually crazy. This car is so mental. But yeah, we got all these cars in here and everything like that. We just had James up there taking pictures for Adrenaline Head. All right, as you guys can see, we have the X pipe right here. And then we have the M4 up here. What we are removing is everything from here back to about here. So 1 muffler, 2 muffler, and we're keeping the 2 secondary cats. On the M2, I did take everything off for the single mid pipe, but this is gonna look good. It's gonna be a nice raspy setup. This guy's actually off a fucking perk today, bro. Oh my fuck.
Thank you, ass. It's a real name.
I got all of my kids in the car, and now I'm sorry, I have to send this to my baby mother so she knows that I'm not abusing you guys. And now we're on our way to go get some stuff. All right, we're starting the deconstruction of this bullshit. The only problem is gonna be the exhaust hangers because we forgot the tool. Damn, the Men Performance springs look good though.
Yo, this is Dinan?
Yeah. Y'all already know. We got that drink on him, man. Stop playing, man. We got that reposado. If there's any sexy Latino women that have thick booties, please pull up right now and like just like dance for us. Like that's all we need.
Yeah, buddy, I don't fish around. What are you doing over there, honey bun?
Want me to spray the hangers again?
Oh yeah, probably. What are you getting set up, honey bun? Yeah, pictures.
Yeah.
Damn, this light right here is so perfect. Nice little cum. Oh my god. We're probably gonna want to leave the clamps. I just wanted to see how far it is, but we're probably gonna.
Yeah. You can hear it. Yeah, fucking.
It's like both.
Go.
Whoa, no.
No, that's retarded.
Like it's gonna sit. We're gonna roughly want it like that.
You want
Word.
it?
We want to be able to have it like fully slipped in.
Yo, but then look at the front.
Getting the test fits going. I know I'm not doing shit, but I'm leaving it to the guys that actually work on cars. So I'm just kind of watching, learning as I go. I am helping, don't get it twisted. But I gotta let them work their magic, bro. You got music going, it's straight vibes in here, bro. It's actually sick. This man's stealing the car to go get some pizza. I love the M2. I don't think I'll get rid of it. I'm not getting rid of this. Need to add a G80. He needs to get a G80. That's next. That's next. Ant needs to get an F80. Cleaning it off. that we can fit these on, but we might have to pull it and open up the hole and make it a bigger hole. Come up here to check out the two cars, but I noticed that they both have the same emblem. It's so sick. There's so much time in between these two cars and generations, and they're like starting to become the same thing in a way. One of one Evo, or not one of one, but pretty much one of one, because it's just, yeah, there's a lot of story to a lot of these cars. It's really cool. Trying to push Gary to do some YouTube and stuff so you guys can see that. And James and I will help him record. Oh, they got the exhaust on. Fucking up my exhaust, buddy.
Pretty center.
Oh yeah, stroke it. Stroke it. M4 is coming down. It's time to see what this thing sound like, boy. We're going valves closed first. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Valves closed though is stock. Yeah, that's sick. Four with sound is nutty. Dude, that sounds good, bro. One more. Go 5. Oh!
You're doing good, Gary. Just make sure it's all in frame. Let's see. Oh, fuck.
I'm getting the only important thing. What is? Holy fuck.
All right, y'all, we made it out to a field and we are about to do a rev off. I'm excited for you guys to hear this. We have the M2 and the M4, obviously. M4 sounds so good. You guys just heard it. I could not be happier with how this sounds. But with that being said, the M2 is a single mid pipe without secondary cats, and the M4 is a X pipe with secondary cats. So you guys are about to hear the differences. M2 is slightly raspier, I think, and the M4 has like a deeper tone to it. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Again, the videos don't really do it justice. Sounds really a lot better in person, but here we go. This is the first step before we do downpipes on both cars.
I didn't know that pop like that at that high.
Oh yeah, when you get red line going,
When you
push it into the rev limiter like that, bro.
When you rape it.